our destination of where we're staying. We are staying at the Sheraton Arlington Hotel. I'm here for Woman Evolve, which is Sarah Jake's Roberts conference that'll be held at Globe Life, which doesn't really get started until tomorrow, so I'll definitely show you all of that tomorrow. But yeah, we'll go ahead and check out inside of the Sheraton Arlington.
See your name is
Alright guys, we're here at the Sheraton Arlington. Arlington, that is a tongue twister. Like I said, I was going to bring you inside so you can check out everything that this hotel has to offer. I will definitely give you guys a room tour so you can see everything that the amenities look like. I'll show you what floor we're on and all of that good stuff. My mom is checking us in right now, but we'll show you everything that this beautiful hotel has to offer. I already showed you guys the entryway of where you come in, but I'll show you guys the room, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the room. When you come in, you have a bathroom. There is one sink. Hey, how you guys doing? You have a shower, and it has amenities like body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. They also give you some body lotion and a hydrant bar. I will say I'm used to a little bit more amenities than this, so that's different. And then right here you have a closet where you can put some of your clothes. There is a safe. It looks big enough for a laptop, so you'd be able to put a laptop in there. Has an ironing board and an iron within it. There is also a connecting door, so if you were coming with a bigger family, I don't like this. Wow, that just doesn't look good. Like they did not clean. And then you have two full-size, queen-size beds. Probably full-size. It looks like a full-size bed. You have a long table with a TV. You have some storage right here and a refrigerator. You also have a coffee station with a coffee machine. And I'm hoping this is Robert's cup that he drank out of and it wasn't left here.
Yeah, it was.
And you have like a little, I guess it doesn't pull out, but where you have your ice and some other storage area. There is also a like little lounge, chaise lounge, and currently this is the view. Over there is Six Flags. Well, I can't say Great Adventure because I don't think that's what the Texas one is called, but Six Flags is over there. So if you're a family and you're coming to travel to Six Flags, it's actually a really great hotel for you to be able to come visit and stay in. So, and then over here is the Globe Life Arena, and I do believe this one right here is where the Dallas Cowboys play. So yeah, it's pretty convenient to a lot of different areas. So yeah, like I stated, we are at the Sheraton Arlington. So if you're coming to Arlington, Texas or Dallas, Texas and going to any of the events that I listed, be sure to check out this hotel for your stay. And if you haven't already, make sure you go watch our vlog that talks about the whole trip that I went on here in Arlington, Texas for the Woman Evolve conference. I will link it in the cards right here. See you soon. Hey guys, make sure you check out the next video for my full review on my trip to Dallas, Texas and the Woman Evolve conference.